So just a quick daily update on Polygon then. Not going to spend too much time on this one because there's not that much to talk about. But as you can see, we have been rejected from the top of this tariff dump range that we've seen. Obviously, Polygon, we did have this overachieving bear market and underachieving bull market. Very, very clear and defined 30-cent area of support for the bear market. We came down to it, we got the Trump pump, and then the tariff dump took us down to a new low for this cycle. We came down towards that 15-cent area, created a nice little range between 30 cents and 15 cents. Tested the high and the low multiple times here. You can see lots of accumulation down here as you would expect. Polygon is still one of those top 50, top 100 cryptos and has obviously had a torrid time of things recently, but it's got an all-time high of $3, which is still a 10x from the current price, even more than a 10x from the current price. So we do have good targets above still for Polygon. People thinking they're starting to get in here, thinking this could be good risk to reward. Obviously, even if we only get a 2, 3, 4, 5x from this area, fairly likely if you're still thinking we're going to have a bull market for altcoins, and when you think the altcoin basket's pretty much at all-time highs here and Polygon is way down here at basically lows, all-time lows for this cycle, you think we're in a good spot here for potential upside for Polygon and quite a few other altcoins as well. So I think people are just starting to get into these, gambling on the fact that they think that things are going to be picking up over the next 6 to 12 months, going into probably the final stage of this cycle, if you still think we are moving in cycles. I think the tariff dump really has put a dampener on altcoins, as you can clearly tell with Polygon's price action. Ever since the tariff wars came in, we had this huge dump to the downside from which we have yet to recover. But I think Polygon here showing signs that we want to go up, obviously. Good bullish market structure over the past few months, even if it's not the kind of parabolic move to the upside everyone probably wants. But overall, I do think this has got good potential to come up towards this resistance here at around 40 cents as its next target. Obviously, I think the altcoin space is about to giga pump, as I've been saying recently, because we have got lots of signs of that. Ethereum consolidating under all-time highs, the altcoin basket making a new all-time high a few days ago and now heading back up there again. I think it's only a matter of time really until the altcoin space in general gets dragged to the upside in a big way by the altcoin basket, and if that's the case, we'll probably see Polygon and some of these other cryptos that have been struggling recently. If you look across the market, you can see lots of cryptos that have been stuck in a range for a while. You can see a few of them breaking out. Chainlink has broken out. Avalanche has actually been doing really well this week, as you can see, a little bit decorrelated from the rest of the space. As you can see, Cardano looking a bit of a mess. Dogecoin at the high of its range here, looking like it wants to absolutely rip through these levels. Overall, a lot of altcoins looking like they're a coiled spring right now. Polygon here, I think, definitely could see some upside soon. I think the altcoin space is about to move up. As always, thank you very much for watching. Like and subscribe, leave a comment, let me know your thoughts. Check back every day for daily updates and get some free money in the description below. Cheers.